Hello and welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today we're going to be making light brown sugar and also dark brown sugar. Light brown sugar is made with just two ingredients, sugar and molasses. And the difference between light brown sugar and dark brown sugar is simply the amount of molasses that you put in it. Okay, so we're going to start off with 1 cup of sugar. Here's 1 cup of sugar. And for light brown sugar, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of molasses here. Here's 1 tablespoon of molasses. So this is simply all you do. You could put it in there with the rubber spatula and simply just use your fork and just work it in. You can even use your fingers if you like. Just work this in. You can also use a food processor or a mixer. That'll be a little faster, but if you don't have that, not a problem. So now, we have light brown sugar. And like I said, to make dark brown sugar, you just add more molasses. Light brown sugar is 1 tablespoon, and dark brown sugar is 2 to 3 tablespoons. It just depends on your taste. And now you store this brown sugar just like you normally would store-bought brown sugar, just in an airtight container in your cabinet or pantry. And that's all there is to making brown sugar. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for future videos. And remember, have fun cooking.